Hi everyone, my name is Dennis and I am a new technical marketing manager at StorMagic. I've been with StorMagic a little over 2 months, and while learning about our products, I thought, why not go through a deployment following the online documentation our customers use to see exactly what they experience. So I have our install documentation pulled up here, and I am going to follow along and see how simple it is to install SvSAN in my lab environment. After logging into vSphere, I navigated to my host and selected Deploy OVF Template. Then browse to the SvSAN OVA file location and select the file and start the deployment wizard. Let's give our VM a descriptive name of DS Plugin and select my destination host. Next, we will choose a compute resource for this VM and click Next. After reviewing the details and then accepting the license agreements, I reached the storage configuration page and selected my storage for this VM. Next, we'll select our VM network and then customize our deployment template. First, we'll give a username and password. Then we'll give it a host name of DS Plugin. Then enter our domain, followed by our DNS server, gateway, and NTP server. Since we're going to use a static IP, we will uncheck DHCP and then enter our IP address and our network prefix and hit next to review our settings, and then click finish to deploy the VM. Once the deployment is finished, we'll go ahead and power on our plugin VM and register it with our vCenter. Once logged in, we'll run the command to register our plugin with our vCenter, and we'll get a confirmation that the plugin has been registered. After that, we can go to our vCenter, select Configure, and we'll see our StorMagic plugin section where we can deploy VSAs onto our hosts, which I will cover in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video showing how simple the installation of SvSAN is, and stay tuned for more videos on StorMagic products and features.